You have likely experienced moments where time seems to vanish. Your self-consciousness dissolves, and your performance reaches a peak you didn't know you were capable of. This is the flow state, a neurological phenomenon where you become fully immersed in an activity. Today, we will explore the science behind this optimal state of consciousness and how you can trigger it on demand to transform your productivity. Flow. A term popularized by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi occurs when the challenge of a task perfectly balances with your skill level. If a task is too easy, you become bored. If it's too hard, you become anxious. When you hit that Goldilocks zone, your brain enters a state of hypofrontality. During this process, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for complex decision making and your internal critic, temporarily shuts down. This is why you stop worrying about mistakes or how you look to others and simply execute with effortless precision. Interestingly, you don't need to be an Olympic athlete or a musical prodigy to access this state. Whether you're coding, painting, or organizing your desk, flow is accessible to everyone. The secret lies in removing distractions and setting clear, immediate goals without a defined objective. Your brain struggles to narrow its focus, and the static of daily life prevents you from locking into that deep, rhythmic state of execution. Here's the counterintuitive truth. Flow isn't just about focus, it's a state of surrender. Most people try to force flow by working harder, but true immersion happens when you stop trying to control every micro movement and let your training take over. But what happens inside your brain chemistry once you finally cross that threshold? That transition is where the real magic happens, as your brain releases a potent cocktail of neurochemicals. In the grip of flow, your brain releases dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, which drastically enhance pattern recognition and lateral thinking. This cocktail not only makes the work feel enjoyable, but also increases your processing speed and long-term memory retention. By understanding the mechanical triggers of this state, you can transform work from a chore into a high performance pursuit. Flow is the ultimate shortcut to mastery, turning high-effort labor into a seamless, rewarding experience. By balancing challenges with your skills and quieting your inner critic, you can unlock a version of yourself that's both more productive and more fulfilled. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of human potential. Let me know in the comments, what activity puts you in a state of flow the fastest?